Your high school math teacher told you how important those math skills would be throughout life. Well, if you're a carpenter, you know how important it is to measure and cut accurately. If not, it costs you a lot of time and money.
That's right, Danny. Here's a technique that doesn't require any math at all, and it allows you to divide a board into equal parts. Let's start by taking the ruler off of a combination square. Then you set the 0 mark on one edge, and on the other edge you pick the number that you want to divide the board into. In this case, let's say we want to divide it into 8 equal parts. And then you simply make a mark at each of the inch graduations. Then you repeat the process on this end, and then you just connect the marks, and the board's automatically divided into the 8 equal parts.
Now I can see where that would be real handy if you're cutting, say, furring strips or batten strips out of a piece of 1x6 like this, but if you could use the same method on a piece of plywood, that would really be handy.
Well, you can. You need to use a tape measure, and there's a little bit of math involved, but it's still really easy. You start by hooking your end of your tape onto the corner of the sheet, and then you pick a number that's easily divisible by the number of parts. In this case, let's say we want to divide the sheet into 6 equal parts. So you set the 60-inch mark right on this edge, and then you make a mark at 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Then you move your tape down to the other end of the sheet, and you repeat the process, again keeping the 60-inch mark right on this edge. Then all you need to do is use a chalk line to snap a line between all the marks, and it's automatically divided into equal parts.